Hello and welcome to Model Minutes. I've reached 500 subscribers, so here is a special video with the requests I've had on my channel. And if you don't believe me, there it is, 505 subscribers when I took that screenshot. So the first request I've had is from Jonty. He asked if I could build a Spitfire. I've done a review of a Spitfire, but I haven't done a build of a Spitfire, so hopefully that's something I could do. Next, Panzerman's Bunker asks if I could do an armoured vehicle. And Fine Kits asks if I should do a bomber. So hopefully those are on the cards as well. All being well, money permitting and time permitting, I might be able to do those. The next request is from Adrian. He says, make USS Fletcher. That's the Revel 1 to 700 kit. Now, I've never actually built a kit like that before. The only ship I built recently was the HMS Victory. But hopefully, I might be able to see what I can do. The next request is from Bradley. He asks if I could do an Aston Martin DB5 or something like that to help him with his model building. I've not built many cars, but it's something I would like to give a go. And finally, the last one is from Power Bacteria, who says, Art of Tactics kits from Zvezda, the M3 Lee or the I-16 are particularly good models, and I have had a look at them and they are something I'll be interested in, so watch this space. So that all that's left to say now is thank you to everybody who subscribed so far. I couldn't have got this far without you. Thanks for watching this video. If you like what you saw, make sure to like, comment and subscribe. And here's to getting another 500. Maybe I'll see you at the 1000 subscriber video. Thanks for watching. See you all again next time.